What's going on, guys? Today we're going over 5 cinematic drone shots that you can capture in any city.
Let's go.
All right, so one of the first shots that we always like to make sure that we get is what we call the revealing shot. Pretty much what you want to do is pick a building that's in your city, preferably on the outer skirts of your city. Fly your drone close up on that building, filling up the entire frame of the shot. From there, all you have to do is slowly fly left, right, or up, revealing the city that's in the background. This shot is really good because it establishes the city and location that you're filming in.
For the second shot is the ascending shot. You basically just want to pick a cool landmark of your choice in the city. Once you've picked that landmark, have the drone hover over it at a low altitude. Make sure that you have the camera pointing straight down. As it's pointing straight down, then fly the drone slowly upwards, revealing the surroundings of that landmark. One thing that's really cool about this shot is that it targets and highlights unique places surrounding that landmark in your city. The descending shot is the same, but opposite from the ascending shot. Instead of having the drone hover at a lower altitude, you will have the drone hover at a higher altitude. Then point the camera straight down. Once the camera's pointed straight down, you then want to fly the drone slowly downward, revealing the landmark and its location in that city.
All right, so the third shot that we love to get is what we call the push in and pull out shot. What you want to do is start your drone on the outer skirts of the city, but at eye level with the city. From there, slowly fly the drone towards the city at a slow rate. You will notice with this shot that the city will begin to seem larger and larger the closer you get. So the next shot, which is similar to the push in shot, but opposite, is the pull out shot. So this time, instead of starting the drone from the outer skirts of the city, what you want to do is start the drone closer to the city, real close to the city. From there, all you have to do is fly the drone backwards, and you'll notice as you're flying the drone backwards slowly, the city will begin to get smaller and smaller. That's why this shot is really good with being used at the end of your drone video.
The fourth shot is the rotation shot. This is one of Josh and I's favorite shots. Basically what you want to do is pick a cool building within your city that has unique features. Once you've found that building, fly the drone in a 360-degree rotation, showing off those features.
For the fifth and final shot, what me and Miranda like to always get is what we call the bird's eye view. For this shot, what you want to do is fly the drone high above every building in the city, but not too much higher than the tallest building, if that makes sense. From that point, what you want to do is tilt the drone or pan the drone straight down towards the ground. From there, all you have to do is fly the drone forward, backwards, left, or right, revealing the ground level things at the bottom of the city, such as cars, streets, or people walking. This shot is really cool because it gives a bird's perspective at a high altitude of what the city looks like. This shot is really good for intros.
And yeah, sometimes it's also good for like transitions to the next scene of your drone video.
Yeah, if you really want to have some dope transitions, this is a perfect shot for that. So if this video has helped you, please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that thumbs up and that bell notification.
And we will see you at the next video.
Cause we could light up the sky.